Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. This week we'll be taking a look at the word monitor. Monitor. How many syllables do you think this word has? Monitor has 3 syllables. Ter. Monitor. Now, where do you think the stress goes for this word? If you said the first syllable, you're correct. The stress goes on mon. So this part of the word should be pronounced with a little bit more volume. Monitor. Monitor. Now let's take a look at how this word is actually used. On your screen there are 2 sentences. Try to guess the meaning based on the context of each sentence. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. The meaning of monitor is to watch regularly and purposefully. Note, monitor can also be used when talking about a computer, as in the computer monitor is broken. But we're just going to focus on this definition of monitor for this video. Now, let's return to those sentences again, and this time focus on trying to figure out the part of speech of the words in yellow. Are they verbs? Are they nouns? Adjectives? How are they being used? Once again, if you need more time, you can pause the video now. In both of those sentences, the word was being used as a verb. In the first sentence, the one with monitoring, the verb was in the present progressive tense. And in the second sentence, it was being used in the simple present tense. Now that we've learned about the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of monitor, it's your turn to start practicing. You can begin with the question on your screen. What is something that you monitor every day, and why? You can post your answers on our social media pages, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word.